Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage stock picks with eTrade, full guide step by step clearly. To begin managing stock picks with eTrade, log into your eTrade account. Once logged in, navigate to the Research tab located in the main menu. Under the Research section, select stocks to explore various stock options available. Use the search bar to find specific stocks by entering their ticker symbols or company names. Review the stock's performance data, including historical prices, volume, and market capitalization. Take note of key financial metrics such as the price-to-earnings ratio and dividend yield. Consider adding stocks to your watchlist for easy tracking. To create a watchlist, simply click on the Watchlist tab and select Create New Watchlist. Name your watchlist and add the stocks you are interested in. Once you have chosen the stocks, go to the Trade tab to start the buying process. Select Buy and input the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to purchase. Enter the number of shares you want to buy and adjust your order type as needed, choosing between market or limit orders. Review your order details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Click Preview Order to see the final summary and make any changes if necessary. After confirming the accuracy, click Place Order to execute the trade. To track your newly acquired stocks, navigate back to your watchlist. Monitor the stocks regularly by checking price movements and updates posted in the news section. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or news events related to your stocks. Review your portfolio periodically to make informed decisions on whether to hold, buy more, or sell your stocks. Utilize eTrade's educational resources to improve your investing knowledge and strategy over time. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your stock picks using eTrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.